What's your holdup? Agentic AI is scaling fast and driving massive compute, memory, and throughput demands. As AI workloads increasingly rely on complex inferencing, memory capacity and bandwidth struggle to keep pace, creating giant bottlenecks across your data center. Factor in memory constraints, and this trajectory limits scale, increases costs, and delays time to insight for complex AI workloads. Penguin Solutions CXL Inference Accelerator servers break through the memory wall by making memory flexible, shareable, and scalable across systems, adding significant memory capacity and reducing total cost of ownership. Backed by validated performance results and recognized by the CXL Consortium Integrators list, Penguin Solutions delivers proven gains in memory capacity, bandwidth, and infrastructure efficiency. Discover how we can help you simplify memory, eliminate bottlenecks, and accelerate your AI outcomes so that nothing can hold you up.